What? Tell me. Tell me. What do you want? Mama's cleaning, Gizmo. Today's cleaning day. Show me. Show me. Show me. You're wanting me to sit down? Really? Okay, Mama's sitting down. Now what? What? Mama's sitting down, now what? Really? All right, get up here. So you brought me in here just for me to sit down and hold you? Is that what you wanted me to do? And to give me kisses and lovins? Oh, you're the sweetest. Yes. What? What is it? You want me to love on you? Is that what you're wanting me to do? So you brought me in here to love on you? You didn't want Mama to clean? Oh, you don't want Mama to clean? Oh, you're the sweetest. You're the sweetest. Want to tell him bye? Now we're not going bye-bye. No.